पिळग्यान पिळग व्यवसाय करपी कळंगूट दर्यादेगेवेल्या थळाव्यांचेर गोंया भायल्या व्यवसायाक लागून हावळ आयल्या। काल राती दर्यादेगेवेले सोजा लोबो रेस्टॉरंट एक गँगान फोडले। घडणुकेत पिस्तुलान फारपेट केल्ल्याची बातमी आसा। ही आता तिसरी खेप। हे घडणुकेत रेस्टॉरंटाचे 6 कर्मचारी जखमी जाल्यात। तातूंतले 3 जाण जीएमसीत उपचार घेतात।
ही घडणूक काल राती 10:30 वरांचेर घडली। सुमार 50 लोकांची गँग रेस्टॉरंटात आयले। दाणे, फातर, बाटल्यो आणि हाताक कितें मेळटा ते घेवन रेस्टॉरंटाचेर शेवटून मारपाक सुरवात केली। रेस्टॉरंटाची जनेलां, दुरी, बोर्ड तशेंच नातलांचो गोठो ह्या गँगान मोडून उडयलो। पुलिसांनी घडणुकेचो पंचनामो केलो आणि 2 FIR नोंद केल्यात अशी माहिती गोपांनी दिल्या। कुशीचो भायलो बिझनसमॅन हातूंत सामील आसा। आमकां न्याय जाय, रेस्टॉरंटाचो धनी जूड लोबो म्हणटा।
There was a group of around, I guess, 50 or more people who came here, and they were creating a commotion here at the entrance. When they started that, I went out and I told them not to gather over here, to move from here. As soon as I told that and I was walking inside, I heard some bottles being broken and stuff like that. So I turned around at the gate and I stood over there. And my boys told them not to come inside. When they told them not to come inside, they started hammering them with rods, bottles, stones. They damaged a lot of the restaurant property. I could hear some shots. Now, whether they were gunshots or what, but they seemed like gunshots. Because I could not see who was there out because it was a big crowd and at night, so the light wasn't that good. The third time that we are being attacked. First was in November last year. After that, in March, and now in December, we had filed an FIR against Rajiv Arora, who is this neighbor of ours. And also one person called Sunil Bomkar, who was here yesterday, who works for Chotu. So my apprehension is that these people are trying to create a lot of fright. Not only in our family but in the community. From the last year I've been following up with the police as well as the authorities who are involved in giving permission to this illegal structure that is here. And since the Panchayat has passed a demolition order and it's pending in the director of Panchayat, he is even more upset. He tried to frame me in lot of fake cases, which all fell flat. So now his only option is to threaten us or to harm us.
गोवा 365 खातीर कळंगूटच्यान समीप नार्वेकार।